Welcome back to RuskiWeldFab. Today I want to show you and make a really quick tutorial on how to fit a carbon roof onto your Clio Mark II. I'm at Custom Productions, yes, the guys who make all sorts of K20, K24 madness and convert all those lively Clios into race machines. It's going to be a very quick tutorial, so for this you will need my carbon roof or a roof that you want to make yourself. Then a bunch of tools. Most importantly, you will need one of those or similar one like that to take all the spot welds out. First thing first, you need to take the boot off. Step number 2, take those roof rails out. Don't forget to take all the rubber sealing on the boot, and also you need to remove this part because we're actually retaining small part of the roof, so this can actually be fitted afterwards. Step number 3, the windscreen. You unfortunately have to remove this. This car had this windscreen removed already, so I just need to lift it out and we're good to go. Now you need to reveal the spot welds. At the front it's a little bit difficult because once you remove the windscreen you have the sealant that you can't actually see the spot welds. So what I do is I just grind off the top layer and then you can clearly see there's about 5 on each side and then 3 or 4 in the middle. Same goes for the side. There's about 9 or 10 on each side, and then there's a lot right here on the back. So each one now needs to be spot weld removed, drilled out. Now we have to drill them all out. Basically what I do, I made a little point and then you slowly drill them out like that, and that all the way around. So that's how it's looking so far. Just need to continue on all the way around the car.
20 minutes later.
Once all of your spot welds are out, all you do is you pry it at the end, leave the front a little bit, do the same thing, lift the front bit, and then this is how you're supposed to cut. You cut literally right to the edge of the inside because we need this channel because the rubber seal goes on top. So now what I have to do is use flap disc, clean everything up because the adhesive needs to go onto the bare metal, clean everywhere around. On this car in particular we're actually removing the center bar because it's not necessary, the car has a full cage, and then we basically glue the new roof on. After you've cleaned everything up, it's a good idea to measure up the roof and see how it fits. You would need to either cut and crop and basically make sure it fits like this. So everywhere around is very, very nice. The back, and then obviously the side, and then in here, as you can see, you kind of go around the outline and the channel stays. The front, same here, you kind of crop it, go around. This can be sanded and trimmed afterwards, and that's pretty much it. That's how you feed the roof. So next would be apply adhesive. I'm gonna use this one, Plexus, super strong structural adhesive. I've used VM100 before by Easy Composites. Unfortunately it's you don't have enough time. It's like literally 7 minutes and then it starts to set. And also this is really good stuff, high strength polyurethane sealant. So I usually use this on the inside where you have a little bit more gap. Yeah, let's stick it on.
2 hours later.
Obviously the battery ran out, so I forgot to, didn't have time. So once you apply the adhesive, you can literally put your roof on top, squidge, basically press on every corner, and then secure it with some tape and some C-clamps. That's it, let it dry and it's done.